my family. How are you today? I know the weekend must have been so chock-a-block busy. I was just as busy since last week with the sales summit, as well as being out of town and just being poor network area. I know that you guys have missed the constant interaction, but it's a new week and we're gonna get right back on track. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Siyanda and I am your Star Group Buy Ambassador. I'm here to assist you with the process, with the ordering, with the recharging, with the tracking of your parcel, and just giving you the best practice when ordering from Star Group Buy. It's so easy to get caught up in the goals you have, in the sense that getting there, but we have to make provision for time as to how we're going to get there. What do I mean for this? I know that most of you, when you order, you have the best intentions of receiving it as soon as possible. But there's a financial implication that comes with that. That means that there's a price that you are willing to pay or not willing to pay for it to get to you urgently. I'm going to get into shipping today, and I'm going to get into some questions that you've asked me. Stay tuned. We were talking about shipping, man. Sorry, there was a bit of excitement. So I'm going to do an unboxing, as it will. With shipping, guys, air shipping is great for sunglasses, for necklaces, for jewelry, for scarves, for pajamas, for anything that doesn't have a big shape. Because what happens is that they measure it at the warehouse according to volume, which is height times length times breadth. So in the event that they're sending this, right, they measure it according to this, and this. So those dimensions are multiplied. Then it creates the value that is seemingly like so high. But if you are running a business, you have to decide what is the cost implication for you. What are you willing to do for that cost, Over and above that, you have to be practical, because it can be up to 4 times more than sea shipping. So you have to make your clients understand that in order for them to receive their parcel quickly, they have to sacrifice the pricing. And you, as the seller, if you're not going to speak to your customers in a way that keeps them informed the way that we do here, you're going to do yourself a disservice, because then that way they will feel it's not transparent. They will feel that you're not being honest with them, and then they will feel like it is a scam. But we all know, and I hope we trust, that parcels do take time. If you are paying 300 Rand for shipping from China, you have to be patient. If you are paying 1,000 Rand for shipping for 2 items, then you have every right to expect it within 3 to 4 weeks, But in saying that, I'm here to facilitate and make you understand what is happening when. I'm here to help you to get your parcels to you in a profitable time. So sea shipping is great for profit, guys, and it's great for personal buying. This is for one of my VIPs, and every time I open a parcel, I'm like living through you guys. Let's see what's in here. It has been pressed and compressed in order for as much to fit in. But let me see. Okay. First things first. shoes in a box. These are, okay, every single time I verify a supplier through this way. This is so pretty, but unfortunately it's a bit squished, but the box is so pretty. And then let me open it and see what's inside. Oh, these are so nice, guys. These are so nice. I love this one. Is that? I'm sure it's a shirt or pants. It's a clothing item. Yeah. These look like chinos, and the quality is surprising. Sorry guys, I get shocked all the time. How beautiful is this? Right? Inside, look at that. And then it has a zip. Pockets inside. The material is not stretch material. It's like suit material. Close it here. Okay. And then button it here. The back is like that, and the edge, it's beautiful. Next one is also seemingly a clothing item, softer, so I have to be very careful when I open it, right? And the purpose of me doing this is to show you as well as quality check. So these are also pants. Oh, jeans. I'm so worried. Oh, guys. These are so cute. Look, a little samurai, ripped, star, patchwork. These are nice, hey? Not my style, but I like what they have going on. Let's see how the stretch is. It's quite snug. I don't like jeans because I'm a big girl. So if my jeans, most of my clothes, they have to have elastic in them. But they also, this here is the cutest for me. I love it. So there's a smaller one and a bigger one. So let's try and see if I can put it in 90 seconds. But I like looking at it properly. I think these are sunglasses. Whenever there's bubble wrap, I always think it's sunglasses or a watch. So let's see what it is. Yeah, I thought so much. It's watches. These are so cute. So let me take one out. I haven't seen this link. I will be honest. This is so, oh look. Right? And then you put it on. Hold here. And then you clip it here. So it's like a bangle watch. I love it. Sure, you guys have good taste, eh? Not necessarily what I would wear, but definitely, you cannot find this easily at the mall. The second one, not second, but you know what I mean, right? Is something I don't know what it is. I love how they package it. It is, let's see. Oh, ooh. Like a bomber type thing. Like those sports jackets. Okay. Hey man. Y'all have style though. Okay. What is it called here? Born to Love Running. Okay. Nice. And then I think this is the last one. Yep. It is more chinos. Oh, this supplier. This is like the third set of chinos I've gone through my hands. This is a supplier, guys. I love the quality of the cotton. It's a bit thinner than I would like it to be, but in terms of, I always look at the workmanship. I always look at, I'm genuinely happy with what I've received. I don't know what the client's gonna think, but from what they can see, they've really said that they love everything they're seeing. This is an opportunity, guys, to leverage on things that aren't easily available in South Africa. Contact list yakho. For me personally, like I always say, I don't sell clothes. I enable the facility, the administration of buying and selling from China. And it's so rewarding for me. It's so rewarding because I get to be of service and I feel like I'm doing something. This, of course, as I've mentioned before, is not my only work. I do work in medical aid. And I have quite some, I've got some years of customer service, experience, which also helps me hold myself to a very high standard. There will be times when things don't go the way that we plan them to, but as with any best practice, communication is key. As I've mentioned, if you don't know me by now, my name is Siyanda, and I hope that we can unpack more orders together.